Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to sell your Tesla vehicle. I'm going to be selling this to a family member, so it's going to be a little bit more straightforward, but I'm also going to go through all the steps on what is best practice and what you should do to sell your vehicle, whether you're selling it to a family, friend, or maybe somebody that you don't know. In the first half of this video, I'm going to cover the paperwork that you're going to want to fill out when selling your Tesla vehicle. And then in the second half, I'm going to go over what you should actually do with the car itself in terms of factory resetting it and transferring ownership of your Tesla to the person who is buying it. The first thing that you're going to need is the title for your Tesla vehicle. So I still had a little bit left on my loan, so I finished off and paid the rest of my loan. And then within a couple of weeks, I received the title in the mail. Of course, the bank has ownership of the car until you completely pay it off. So if you haven't gotten your title yet, you can either pay off the remaining balance of the loan that you have on your vehicle, and then within a couple of weeks, you should get that title in the mail. Otherwise, it's going to be a little bit more complex, and you're going to need to set this up with the purchaser and your bank so that everyone's on the same page with that. But when you have your title, you're going to find the area where it says completed by seller. You're going to put in the purchaser's name and their information, and then you're going to certify the odometer reading. You can check this. It's going to be in your Tesla app. Just go to the vehicle, scroll down to the bottom, and you should be able to find the odometer reading there. You're going to need to sign this and then put in your information as well. And then there's an area to be completed by the buyer where they can sign. And there's a note down here to the sellers that it's a good idea to keep a receipt or photocopy of the reassigned title for your records for up to 18 months. So if you want to make this really easy, after you fill this out, you can just take a picture of it after everything has been completed. The next thing that I want to talk about is the bill of sale for your vehicle, and it's nice to get one of these that also has the Odometer Disclosure Statement in it. Having a bill of sale isn't necessarily always required. It can depend on what state you're selling the vehicle in, but it is considered best practice to fill out one of these as well when you're selling your vehicle private party. So this particular bill of sale, I just got right off of the internet. I'll link it down in the description if you'd like to use the same one. So what you want to do is enter in your vehicle identification number, the VIN, the year of the vehicle, make, body, and the title number. And then in this area, you're going to print the name of the purchaser and their information, as well as the purchase price. Now, in terms of actually selling your Tesla vehicle, I just recommend doing this at a bank. For instance, you can get a cashier's check, you can get a wire transfer, you can set it up with that person's bank itself. That's one way to go about doing this. You could also do this through escrow. There's different options with that, where essentially you'd have an intermediary between you, the seller, and the buyer. The funds would come from the buyer to that intermediary, and then the funds wouldn't get transferred to you until the buyer has gotten full ownership of your vehicle. So that's another way that you can go about doing this. But I also want to note, if you're going to get a cashier's check and you're not doing this at a bank, when you're given that cashier's check, be sure to call that bank just to make sure everything is good and set to go. Because the last thing that you would want is to deal with some kind of forgery or something that isn't official. So again, give that bank a call if you're dealing with a cashier's check and you're not at the bank itself. So then below this, we have the Odometer Disclosure Statement, where you can put in your odometer information. Again, you can just check this in the Tesla app for your Tesla vehicle. Just scroll down to the bottom to find that odometer information and then the date for this. And then continuing to scroll down, this is where you're going to fill out your seller's signature, your printed name, the date, and your address information. And then the purchaser is also going to sign, print their name, and date this document. So this is a pretty good bill of sale. You can just find these simply in a Google search, but again, I'll link this particular one down in the description if you would like to use this bill of sale and odometer disclosure statement. When you get to the place of where you're going to sell your Tesla, be sure to remove your license plate. They can either bring a license plate from another car that they're going to transfer to this vehicle, or they can get a temporary license plate from the DMV while they're waiting for their new license plate to come in the mail for the Tesla that the buyer is purchasing. The next thing we're going to do is factory reset your Tesla vehicle. So this is going to eliminate all of your personal information and settings out of the car so that the buyer has a fresh slate to work with. And then after this, we're going to go into the Tesla app to transfer ownership of this vehicle to the buyer, sending an email to them so they can set things up through the Tesla app themselves. But what we want to do to factory reset is to open up our menu by clicking on the little icon of the car here in the bottom left-hand corner. Then in our menu, what we're going to do is go down to the area where it says service and click on that. And then in the service menu, scroll down until you find where it says factory reset, and we're going to click on that. To continue on with this factory reset, you need to enter in your Tesla account email and password. And then once you do that, you can continue on. And then to quickly read over this factory reset, so it's going to ask, are you sure you want to erase all data from your vehicle, clear camera calibration, and reset to factory settings? This cannot be undone and will reboot the vehicle. It may take some time before certain features can be used again. Note, if you are transferring ownership of this Model Y, follow the remove products instructions in your Tesla app. So we're gonna do that next after doing this factory reset. So I'm gonna click right here where it says reset. And it took maybe a couple minutes or so, but eventually you should get this screen where it says factory reset complete. But what I'm gonna do at this point is head on over to the Tesla app in my smartphone so I can show you as the seller where you can initiate this owner transfer option in the Tesla app itself. Now over on my phone, what I'm gonna do is launch the Tesla application. And then from here, what we're gonna do is open up the menu, clicking that option here in the upper right-hand corner. And then in our account menu, we're gonna click on where it says My Products. And then click on the vehicle that you're going to be selling. For me, it's going to be this one right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then from this page, what we want to do is go down to where it says remove or transfer ownership and click on that. And it's giving us some helpful information here. So before removing your vehicle, collect the new owner's full name, the email that they're going to use for their Tesla account. Of course, pay any outstanding balances on your Tesla vehicle. And also when you're selling it, of course, you're going to want to remove the vehicle from your insurance policy. Once this vehicle is removed, all of your subscriptions will be canceled. For instance, premium connectivity or FSD. If you have those subscriptions, they will be canceled. You will lose access through the Tesla app and you will no longer be recognized as the owner. So what we want to do now is click on where it says get started. And it's asking, have you sold the vehicle already? I have already sold this vehicle, so I'm going to click yes. And I sold this private party to an individual, so I'm going to click that option and then click next. So I need to enter in the buyer's first name, last name, then the email that they want to use for their Tesla account, and then re-enter that email. After entering in the new owner's information, you move on to this page where you can transfer and remove vehicle. At that point, it will send an email over to that person's email that you had just entered on the previous page. And in that email, they will get prompted with how to set things up through the Tesla app so that they can claim ownership, of course, of this vehicle and set up the Tesla key through the Tesla app so that they can use their phone for that. So I'm going to click where it says transfer and remove vehicle, giving us one last warning here. Are you sure you want to remove your vehicle? This will permanently delete it from your Tesla app. And I want to do this, of course. So I'm going to click where it says yes, remove. For security purposes, enter the code sent to your email to permanently remove your vehicle. This security code will expire in 2 minutes. So I'm going to get an email with this security code. I'm going to enter that in and then click confirm. And if we type in that code correctly, we'll get a check mark and it says transfer and remove vehicle request received. Your vehicle will be removed from your Tesla app while it is on LTE or Wi-Fi. This may take a few hours for it to be completely removed. So I'm going to click OK. And we should be all good to go from there. So I hope this tutorial was helpful, walking you through the process on how to sell your Tesla vehicle private party, the documents you need to fill out. And again, I'll post a link to that bill of sale and odometer disclosure statement if you'd like to check that out, as well as what to do in terms of factory resetting your vehicle and how to transfer ownership through the app. Thank you to Joa for supporting this video and the content on my channel. Please consider checking out Joa's premium Tesla products and accessories through the link in the description. Use my exclusive discount code THANKS at checkout to save. I appreciate you watching. Subscribe to the channel for more Tesla content in the future.